I have created these car videos using AI. The best part is that they were made for free, and people are earning hundreds and thousands of dollars per month by creating similar videos. Take a look at this channel. You can see that one of its long form videos has received 297,000 views in just 1 day. Another video uploaded 2 days ago has 260,000 views. One uploaded 4 days ago has 146,000 views. And the surprising thing is that this channel was created only 3 months ago. This person uploaded 72 videos and received approximately 11 million views on these long-form videos. Now look at the estimated earnings. You will be shocked. The estimated income is around $15,000 per month. You can calculate how much that is in your local currency. This is only an estimate, of course. To check whether the channel is monetized or not, let's open its latest videos. You can see that a video uploaded 3 hours ago has already received 40,000 views. Another video uploaded 1 day ago has 280,000 views. Now all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to the channel. Then go to the description of my video. There you will find a complete master prompt. Click the copy text button and copy the master prompt. Then open ChatGPT Claude or any other AI chatbot, paste the master prompt and press enter. You will get 5 amazing video ideas, so you don't have to think of anything yourself. Simply select any one of the ideas and it will help you create a video in the same style. Below these ideas, you will also get additional rankings and recommendations. The AI will evaluate the ideas and tell you which ones have the highest potential and which idea is likely to perform better. Below these recommendations, you will find another prompt box. If you don't like the ideas, simply type more. You will get 5 additional ideas. You can keep typing more and generate as many ideas as you want. Now, let's select one of the ideas. I think idea number 5 is good. Now I will type 5 in the prompt box and press enter. The process for idea number 5 has now started. The first scene is a viral hook. You will get an image prompt for this scene and you will receive only one image prompt. For all the remaining scenes, you will get video prompts. As you can see, more scenes have been generated below. Depending on the idea you selected, you will get around 6, 7 or 8 scenes. In other words, the scenes will be generated according to the concept you selected. Now, let's start creating our video. First, copy the image prompt for scene 1. This is the only image prompt you will need. After copying the image prompt, go to Google and search for Google Flow. Once you are inside Google Flow, click the nano banana button and select the image generation option. Choose a 16:9 aspect ratio because we are creating a long form video. Then select 4x, which means we want 4 images. Since we are creating one scene, we want 4 different options to choose from. We can select whichever one looks best. You can also try using Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 to compare the results. Now, press enter and your 4 images will start generating. These will be the images for your first scene. As you can see, the pictures have been generated. Let me open them and show you. You can see the quality of these images. The quality is excellent and you can create videos in a style similar to the videos those creators are making. Now you have 4 options. You need to select one of these images. You will use this single image as the starting frame, and then you will use the remaining video prompts to create the animation. Now let's turn this selected image into a video. I will show you a powerful tool that can be used for free. Open Qwen AI and create an account using your Gmail ID. Click on the video generation option and you will reach this screen. Here you will see a plus button. Simply click it and upload the image that you created and select it from Google Flow. Now you need to enter your prompt. Go back to ChatGPT. Here you can see scene 1. You already have the image prompt for scene 1 and below it you have the video prompt for the same scene. Copy the first video prompt starting from the setup and continuing all the way down. Paste this prompt into the prompt box inside Qwen AI. Simply press enter and your video will start generating. The video will be created for free and in excellent quality. You can also use Google Flow in the same way. Go back to Flow, upload your image and attach it to the prompt box. Enter the same video prompt. Click the video button and select the frames. Choose 16:9 because we are creating a widescreen video. Under the model option, you can use Omni Flash. You can select either 6 or 8 seconds. Press enter and your video will start generating here as well. Now you can see that our video has been generated in Qwen AI. Let me show you the result. As you can see, the video is in HD quality and sound effects, including vehicle sounds. Similarly, our first video has also been generated in Google Flow. Let's take a look at the result after creating the first video. Go to the end of your video. There is an option that allows you to capture the final frame of the video. You can download that frame, click on it and go back. You will now have the final frame of your previous video. Take the final frame you captured from the previous video and attach it to the prompt box. Now go back to ChatGPT. Here you can see scene 2. This time, you only have the video prompt for scene 2. Copy this video prompt. Go back to Google Flow and paste the second scene's video prompt into the prompt box. Similarly, in Qwen AI, you already have the final frame of the previous scene attached. Enter the same motion prompt for scene 2 and press enter. Your second video will now start generating as well. In the same way, you can create 5 video clips and complete your short story. This is the same type of process that the creator of that channel is using to make these videos. Now all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.